Good morning, children. Welcome to your writing class. So, the objective for today's class is students will be able to ideate and draft an essay on the importance of reading. So, we'll quickly see what it means to ideate and what it means to draft. Ideate means thinking and coming up with ideas. We have done ideate already, so we know what it means to ideate. It is nothing but coming up with ideas. You will be given a topic and you will be thinking about it and you will be coming up with ideas. Draft means to organize your ideas in the form of sentences. So when you think, your ideas need not be in the form of sentences. It might be phrases. So in the stage of drafting, you draft your ideas which are not really in the form of sentences into proper meaningful sentences. So that is what we are going to do in today's class. We are going to ideate and we are going to draft. Moving ahead, how are we going to do this? Yes, it is a big question that you're having. How are we going to do this? The objective, I'm going to look at the objective again. Students will be able to ideate and draft an essay on the importance of reading. So I'm looking at the topic now. The topic is importance of reading. So now I know what I need to think about. The topic that I have is the importance of reading. And what do I need to do for that? The first thing I need to do is ideate. So I know what it means to ideate, right? Ideate means to thinking and means to think and come up with ideas. And now I know the topic, that is importance of reading. I'm going to think. Okay, I know what I need to think. I'm supposed to think and come up with ideas because I'm supposed to ideate at this point. Now I am thinking. The first thing that came into my mind is because of reading, my knowledge increased. Like every time I read about something, I read a book, my knowledge is something that is increasing. So my knowledge increased because of reading. So I'm thinking, how has reading affected me? What is the impact of reading on me? How has reading helped me in my life? And I realized that because of reading, my knowledge has increased. So I have my first point ready. I'm thinking about the second point, like how has reading helped others? What are the benefits of reading? Like I see, because of reading, I'm able to know what is happening by reading newspapers. So every morning I see that my everyone in my family, my parents read the newspapers. I read the newspaper and I get to know what is happening in the world, like what is happening in the country. Whereas my grandmother, who doesn't know how to read, she is not able to read the newspaper and know what is happening in the world. So reading has helped me in understanding or knowing what is happening in this world. So I have my second point ready. Now I'm going to think about one more point, like what about people who don't know how to read? Okay, so imagine you are going to a shop and then the name of the shop is written. You are not able, the person who doesn't know how to read will not be able to read it. And for example, the directions, which place is this, how to go, like where are you, these things are written down in boards, and if you don't know how to read, you will not be able to read that. So you will not be able to understand the word, like which place is this, how far this place is from that place. We will not be able to know these things if you don't know how to read. So I have my 3 points ready. I'm quickly going back to the objective, and I'm saying my objective is students will be able to ideate and draft an essay on the importance of reading, and my ideate part is already ready. So I have completed one part of the objective. Now I'm quickly going to see what I'm supposed to do next, and it is nothing but draft. Now I need to draft. Now I'm saying, what is the meaning of draft? Draft means to organize your ideas in the form of sentences, right? Now when I look at my sentences, none of these points are in the form of sentence. Like you cannot start a sentence with because, and all of them are choppy points, not meaningful sentences. So the task ahead of me is to put these choppy points into meaningful sentences. So because of reading, my knowledge increased. Because of reading, I'm able to know what is happening by reading newspapers. Because of reading, I'm able to understand the world. I've put them into sentences. Like reading has helped in increasing my knowledge. Reading has helped me in knowing what is happening in the world by reading newspapers. Reading helps in understanding the world. So I put my choppy points into meaningful sentences. And now I'm going to quickly go back and see the objectives. Students will be able to ideate and draft an essay on the importance of reading. Ideate is already done, draft is also done. So I have fulfilled the objective for today's class, right? This is my final piece. Reading has helped in increasing my knowledge. So I ideated my points and I put them into meaningful sentences. You can see these are not choppy points. These are meaningful sentences. So thank you for attending the class. We will be doing this in tomorrow's class. So see you in tomorrow's class.